Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your YouTube premium code. So the first step is going to be for you to go into Google and you can search for YouTube redeem as you can see. So search for this, and by the way, you can do this on your mobile as well, but I'm going to do this on my computer because it's just much simpler in my opinion, but of course it also works on your mobile as well. So go into Google, search for YouTube redeem, and then you should be taken to this page right here. And now locate this one from YouTube right here. Don't click anything else, just locate this from YouTube, and then you should be taken to this page right here as you can see. So now what you are going to do on this page is to just simply enter the code that you have for your YouTube premium, then click on next, and after that you will be able to redeem your YouTube gift card. And if it does not work, well, then you will need to actually double check so that everything that you have written is correct, of course, and hopefully after that it will work. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.